Hi, so welcome to section 6, video 33, and in this video we're going to be looking at our fourth link building strategy, and this is broken link building. Now this is one of the favorites of SEOs because it is providing real tangible value, not to say the others aren't as well, but this one particularly is really helpful for webmasters to improve their user experience for people visiting their websites. So it is one that can really help generate real value for webmasters. Hence, it is a great opportunity for people in SEO. So here is how the strategy works. You essentially are going to do the same as strategy 3, so finding relevant resource pages using those search operators, such as niche plus useful resources, which I'll show you again in this particular example. And then this is where it's slightly different. So we're going to look for broken links on the page using a Chrome extension called Check My Links, which I will show you how to use. Dead simple, and it is really, really effective. And then the final step, again, is to reach out to websites. And like previous videos, I'm going to give you a template you can use to send out to website owners. There'll be a link to this particular template in the resources of this video. So for all of that being said, I'm now going to take you to Google and show you an example of this. All right, so as you can see, we are once again on Google, and I've just kept the same search that we had in the previous video. So dog blog plus useful resources. So the only difference with this particular strategy compared to strategy 3 is we're going to be trying to find broken links that we can then replace with our own content that we're going to send to the webmaster. So let's look at some of these websites. Check out this one, caninebehaviorclinic.com. So it's saying some useful resources for every dog owner, and let's see what they have. So here we have dog resources. It's got a bunch of links here to different websites, and rather than check each of these one individually to check they actually work, what we're going to do is install a Chrome extension called Check My Links. So to find it, just simply go, I'll take you back to Google. So simply search Check My Links Chrome extension, then go to the first search result, which is this one here, and then simply install it like you would any other Chrome extension. Now, I can't see it on my particular screen, but it is in the top right, and I'll show you how it works when we go back to this particular website. So we're now on this website, Canine Behavior Clinic. I'm going to click the Chrome extension, and what it does is it automatically figures out which links are working, which ones are not. Sadly for us, all of the links seem to be working on this particular page. You can see that because they're all green, and so that one there is linked to there. So okay, they all look fine, which, like I say, isn't great for us because it means we can't actually replace any of these links. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the drawing board. I'm going to check out the next page of Google just to see if we can find anything else. Okay, so we've already checked this website out before, dogowner.co.uk, in the previous video. So let's try something different. Useful resources wolf like to meet. For dog trainers, okay, this one looks good. So I'm going to open up this in a separate tab. Similar story for useful resources for dog owners, could be a useful link. So let's check out these next two websites. Get rid of that one. So here we have some resources, and they look like there's quite a lot potentially. So here we've got collie, etc. Yeah, okay, so there's quite a few here. So again, we're just going to use the Chrome extension, check my links, see if there's anything broken on here. So far doesn't look to be. Or actually, we do have one broken one. That's good news. So here we have a broken one. So that's good news for us. Let's see what else we got. Scrolling down. So obviously it's still checking a lot of links at the moment, but looking for any red on this page essentially. And obviously it's quite a lot because there's a lot of links, which is obviously good. It does increase our chances that some of these are going to be broken. So it's already saying there's 6 invalid ones. Can't actually see many of these yet. Maybe it's, if I keep scrolling down, I've probably missed a few. Yeah, can't see any here. Oh, here we go. One more. Professional or black Russian Terrier training dog supplies. No idea what that's all about. Some sort of muzzle. But yeah, open up that previous page. So this was the one that I opened up in a new tab, that first broken link. You can see here the website's just not working for whatever reason. And similar story for this page that was on this other website. Just couldn't find the page for whatever reason. So those are 2 pages that we could potentially replace with content from our website. So if I scroll back up, you can see it's still doing its thing. There's still quite a few links to check by the looks of it. But yeah, that one that I clicked here was this one. So Alaskan Kai puppies for sale. Again, I mean, this particular example, not particularly great, but you can see it is a broken link. So that is one we could look to replace if we had relevant content. And to do that, we would use a template that looks like this. So hi, name of the owner of the website, which you can probably find on the contact page of the website. Are you still updating your site? I was researching for content on dog products when I came across your excellent page linked to the particular resource page. And this one is particularly good because it is a lot. So let's go back. However, I noticed a few links didn't seem to be working, and then you can list the broken links here. I recently published some content on my blog which covers exactly what the broken link should have done, but in more detail. It would make a great replacement for the link to the broken link you want to replace. Either way, I hope this helped you out. Many thanks, your name. So again, not very pushy. It's just kind of gently probing the webmaster, i.e. the person in charge of the website, to replace a broken link with content that you have on your website that is equally good, if not better. So this solves a problem for the content for the website owner because they can replace broken content, but also it means you can get a link to your website. So very sneaky, very useful tactic. Either way, hope you found this video useful. I'll see you for the final strategy, strategy 5.